March 18th, Wednesday, 2026. About 2:15, I think, somewhere in there. We're at Modoc, Sumter National Forest, Modoc Trail, Modoc Bridge. This looks like the path. I don't know if that's the path that goes down to the canoe launch or not. We're going to walk down to the bridge down here. We need to document this bridge. They say it is fast track for replacement because it is functionally obsolete. Let's turn the Osmo camera on too. Okay, like I said, this is the Modoc Bridge. Functionally obsolete. Fast track to be replaced. Wednesday, the 18th of March, 2026. Built in 1937. And sweet gum balls will get out from under our feet. We'll break an ankle, won't we? I do not see any way to get down there unless we can get down there over there on the other side of the bridge. Be better light over there too, so I think we are going to go back to the van, go across the bridge and see if we can come down. After the bridge is so narrow, I really don't want to be on it with traffic coming across it. Some kind of structure right over there. Or is it just a huge tree stump? No, that's some kind of structure. There's another one over there. So there was another bridge here at some point. Okay, let's go back to the van and then we will go across and see if we can park over there.